Hello class, in the continuing of the useful functions for data conversing in string formats, we are going to explain some more functions. The next function is at or at function. Search a character expression for the occurrence of another character expression. Here is example. At CD in ABCDEFG. It means where is the CD in the next string. And the first occurrence is 3, means the position of the string of CD in this 1, 2, and here is the CD starting from position 3 from left. The search is happen from the left to right. So the at will return 0 if no match character is. For example, TCDE is 0 because no string in this string. And the next, select to name to address, comma, at, comma as a string in the quotation in field of to address from table order where AV point in lowercase dollar means inside the string of to address. Let's see. I want to find where is the position of the comma in the field of address. Here, for example, 15. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Here position 15. Or 0. It means no comma in the address. No comma in the address. 11. Here is position 11 from left. If you count, at. And the next query, select to name to address, stuff to address, starting from position at, comma into address, 1 character with another string. Another string is 5 character string, comma, space, no dot, stuff in this field to address, look for the comma position. Look for the comma position in the field to address. Starting from that position, 1 character will be replaced with 5 character instead. For what record? From table order where only AV point dollar lower to address. Let's see the example. For example, here comma is position 15, comma same position, instead of space, instead of comma, replace with comma space no point. This is a string 5 character instead of comma, and because the position of comma in the to address field is different, so I use at function to find the position. Here For example, comma is another position, and it's replaced comma with comma, comma, space, no, dot. So all commas anywhere in the field of address will be replaced with this. If there are more than one comma, just one of them will be replaced, because the at only return one value, the first occurrence of the string on another string. The rat function is the same as the write at, the same functionality, but it returns from right of the string instead of left. For example, cd at a cd in this string. Let's see. At a cd, it returns 3, but there are two cd here. Position 3 and position another position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At return left position means 3, and rat instead of at, right or reverse at, return 10, because cd from right side, the first cd from right side of the string. And the uppercase cd return 0. Rat uppercase cd in this string is 0 because there is no uppercase cd in this string. If I add upper function to this, it guarantees any case of cd in the string will be found from the right with the rat function in this example. Occurs another function. Return the number of items. A character expression occurs within another character expression. For example, occurs A in this string, display 5, because there are 5 A character in this string. Let's see. 5 character. Again, 2 because there are 2 B in this string, 1 C because only 1 C, and 0 because there is no E in this string. Let's see another example with occur function in a SQL command. Select to name, to address, comma, occurs do in lower to name. It means do in any case. Do in any case into name, and name it OCCDO from table order where occurs do in lower to name greater than 1. It means extract records here 3do Ricardo Ado do again. Here is a 3do in field to name. Here is 2do in the field to name. 2do. This is the first do, and let's find here the second. So there are 2do, 3do, and only the records have more than one DO in any cases, because DO with lower to name, lower DO with lower to name guarantees in any cases DO in the field will be compared. And the next query is the same, but of course DO equal to 0 means no DO in the string. Let's see. All are 0. It means in this to name there is no DO anywhere in this string, no DO inside, no DO, no DO. Because in the where condition I put occurs DO in lower to name equal to 0. It means no DO in the field. I can use for example same query with not a DO dollar lower to name. Same. Of course DO equal to 0 means not DO dollar lower to name. It means not a DO dollar, no DO in the field in any cases. The next function are PRDL and PRDR. L means pad left and pad right, and pad C is full. What that means? Return a string from an expression padded with a space or any character you want to a specified length on the left, right, or both. C means both here. Let's see the examples. The first, Mehdi, is 5-character string with 10. It means change the length of the return character and replace with the left side until the string length be reach to 10. So the return character filled 5 space to the left, and the length of the whole string changed to 10. The next, same, but I use a star character instead of a space. If you omit this part, system automatically use a space character. So the left side of the Mehdi until length of whole string reach to 10 filled by asterisk. So 5 asterisk here, and Mehdi whole length be 10. Here is a right, pad right Mehdi. So the length also is 10, but the star characters appear to the right side of the string. And the next, I use C instead of R and L. It means fill left and right side of the string with this character until the length of whole string reach to 10. So 2 character to left, Mehdi, and 3 character to right, and Here is another example. Again, patch C. Mehdi reached to 20 character string filled by 3 character star slash and minus star slash minus star slash minus star character original character string, again star slash minus star, and the whole field whole string length reach to 20 again. And the next function is replicate the input string n times. For example, replicate hello space 4 times. So there are 4 hello space in this string. Or replicate asterisk 10 times. It returns 10 asterisk. And another function is space. For example, message bytes Mehdi plus space 10 means replicate 10 space between the left side and right side. Space 10 means 10 space. So Mehdi, here is a 10 space between Mehdi and Kordnavasi, and the return functions complete this section, and with this function you can change and convert any format of data string to another string format, and very useful functions for data migration.